Hi, I'm Jonathan, and I'm going to tell about the riveting process, and this is my project. So the first step, you need to drill the parts that you want to join. So to avoid deviations, we will tie the pieces with tweezers and drill with a bit whose diameter corresponds to that of the rivet that we are going to place. So the throw hole needs to be precise and perfectly perpendicular, so that the rivet fits snugly against the hole. So the rivet must be placed in the nozzle of the riveting tool and be rotating the tool several times, and we insert the head of the rivet into the holes made. The operation must be repeated until all the necessary rivets are applied. With the same riveter, we can place rivets of very different sizes because the clamps have several nozzles that serve to house different interchangeable heads. So we can make a strong durable unions in a very short time and in a very simple way. So here we are different type of rivets that they have different functions. For example, the rivet flat, the rivet contours some flat, the rivet contours some found, the rivet button, the high button, the bone large rivet, the bone small rivet, the truss, cone, thinners, coppers, bell, and staple. So that's all, and thanks for your attention.